So a little bit about this week, we began with the soft skills training. We started with CV writing, and then we went on to more presentation skills.
Core focus was on soft skills, which we used in terms of presentation skills, being confident at public speaking.
The skills that we learned off of Jonathan, our trainer, I think will be absolutely indispensable for the next couple of years out in the field.
We finished off with the hackathon where we worked in groups to try and build an application.
And these past 2 days have been a little kind of person versus person hackathon where we had a group project. We set off into 3 groups and see who could do it better.
We had lots of issues to deal with, but then we, as a group, overcome this.
Yeah, being through this week, I think honestly we can pretty much unanimously agree that they need more. This week's been absolutely brilliant. I'd recommend it to anybody.